Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by unplugging the keyboard and clearing a stable, static-free workspace. Once done, remove keycaps with a puller and photograph the layout so you can restore it. If the board is hot swap, you can pull switches now with a switch puller. If soldered, make sure you have a soldering iron, desoldering braid or pump, and flux. Make a note which switches you replace and set removed parts in a tray so nothing gets lost. You proceed by removing each switch one at a time. For hot swap sockets, pull straight up to avoid bending pins, then insert new switches until they click in. For soldered PCBs, heat the pad, use desoldering braid or a pump to clear solder, then gently work the switch out. Once free, inspect and straighten pins if needed. Align the new switch pins into the PCB holes, seat the switch flush, and for soldered boards, tack one pad to secure alignment before completing all solder joints. You finish by soldering every joint cleanly with shiny fillets, trimming excess leads, or ensuring every hot swap switch is fully seated. Once reassembled, reinstall keycaps and plug the keyboard in, then run a key tester to confirm each switch registers. If a key does not register, first power down and reseat the switch. Make sure pins are straight and fully through the PCB. If problems persist, inspect solder joints for cold joints and reflow or use a multimeter to check continuity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.